Here is the movie database, and we're going to do a sort and two types of filter. First of all, let's ask the question, which film is the oldest in the database? To find this out, first of all, select all the data. Then I make sure I go to the Data tab to have this ribbon, and within that ribbon there's a sort tool. I click on the sort tool and this command box comes up. I check that my data has headers has been ticked, because this allows me to look through the columns or fields with their names. So I want to sort by the year, which film is the oldest in the database. So I choose year, and to find oldest I want to go from smallest to largest, and I press OK, and the answer to the question is Gone with the Wind. Came out in 1939, the oldest film in the database. Now let's try a filter. I want to ask the question, how many films in the database are from the 1960s? Again, I select all the data, I press on the filter tool, and little filter buttons appear. If I drop this one down here over the field name year, I can then deselect all and choose the 2 years from the 1960s, 1961 and 1967. Just select them, press OK, and the answer to my question is that there are only 2 films. There are only 2 films in a database from the 1960s. Now let's go back and take the filter off, and we're going to ask one more difficult question. So if I go to data and filter, if I deselect filter, the buttons come off. I want to ask how many animation films there is in the database after the year 1990. So how many animation films there are in the database after the year 1990. So I press the filter button and I go to genre, and I choose to deselect all and choose animation and press OK. Now as you can see, there's lots of animation films from 1942, 1961, but now how many after the year 1990? So I go to the field year, click on the filter button, drop it down, and this time I go to a more advanced feature where it says number filters, and if I select number filters, another menu comes up and it says greater than. So if I type in greater than, and the year is greater than 1990, and I press OK, I now have only the animation films from the year 1991 and onwards. And again, if I look down in the bottom left hand corner, there is the answer. 26 out of 330 films are animation made after 1990.